It's 2 blocks from Charles River, short walk to Central, and very close to Harvard. Hey guys, let me show you today in the heart of Cambridge. Very rare to find. It's a single family with your parking, with your side yard, with your backyard. Everything you wanted in a single family. It's right off the Western Ave. It's 2 blocks from Charles River, short walk to Central, and very close to Harvard. This is placed very uniquely. We are doing a gut renovation over here, so you'll get a brand new product. So guys, when we bought this house, as you know, typical New England house, everything was very choppy. There were tiny rooms in this house. This was an old house. We started opening up everything. Now you will see over here that as soon as you enter, we have widened our stairs, and just so that it's easy to kind of go up in and out. Also, what we did is we took all the walls out. So we have hung a lot of LVLs. So when you kind of come in now, you have your living room, you have your dining room, you have your nice open kitchen. It's a very open concept all throughout once you kind of enter in. If you want to see more videos from Treetop Group, different projects, please hit like and subscribe. We'll be back here in this project again once this is done to show you guys how it has transformed from what you guys are seeing right now, and we'll see you soon.